welcome back to my channel. We are diving right on into things today because I have a very fun master bedroom makeover. If you guys are new here, we moved into a fixer-upper last summer and our master bedroom was so bad. So let me catch you up. Here's how it looked when we bought the house day one. We ripped out the carpets, we redid the floors, everything needed paint. We bought a smoker house, so this house has so many layers of paint. We had to use a special type of paint to get that smell out. The window got replaced. So much work has gone into it to get to this point, and I'm just really excited to kind of tie things together, finish things up, and really make this room feel like a master bedroom suite. So that is what we're gonna do today. Thank you so much, Silk and Snow, for sponsoring today's video. Master bedroom has come such a long way, and one thing I'm very excited about is that we are finally, after 13 years of marriage, upgrading to a king bed. We have always had a queen our whole marriage, and guess what? Our children love to join us in the night, every night. And they're getting bigger, we're getting squished, and we finally have a big enough space to upgrade to a king. And Silk and Snow is coming in the clutch because they're gonna be our like one-stop shop. I wanna hop onto their website and specifically look at their mattresses because they have a couple to choose from. I'm really just drawn towards the organic mattress, knowing the quality is what I'm looking for the family, toxin free, just really well made. And you can see on their site, like they share everything. They have such transparency, and that's really important to me. And then also we're gonna grab a bed frame and some bedding. And I just love that everything I just shop online, it's gonna come right to my door. These big packages, this mattress is gonna be shipped in a box, and that is convenient and makes my life so much easier. I love that convenience, and Silk and Snow is definitely delivering. We got some packages, friends. This is all of the bedding that's going to be on our new bed. This is a brand new king-sized duvet, hypoallergenic, machine washable, breathable, down alternative duvet. Oh my gosh. This is their linen, and I just loved the little stripe. I feel like that's classic. You can never go wrong with a cute stripe. I got their king-sized linen duvet just in this beautiful white, which also comes with the pillowcases. We are finally getting around to doing the baseboards in our bedroom. This is the first step. It's just gonna finally kind of have that finished look that we're missing.
We put one nail there, and one nail right there. Nice, down to the next.
You don't?
No.
Mama. Look how good it's looking. The last piece going on. Baseboards are in, and I am going to be patching and painting them at a later date. Our Silk and Snow bed frame has arrived. For those that don't know Silk and Snow, they make sleep essentials and lifestyle products, and they use really high quality materials. They value ethical manufacturing, sustainability, and transparency. It's really awesome that they proudly display everything that goes into the products and who they partner with to make them. They're all about bringing that affordable luxury into your home, which basically means that we can have the bedroom and just the beautiful style that we want in our home that feels good, it looks good without paying that ridiculous price. The bed is all set up and looking so cute, and so I'm very excited. The mattress is here, and we are going to get the mattress on. We went with Silk and Snow's organic mattress. You can actually choose between firm, medium, or plush, and we went with plush. This bed arrives in a box right at your door, so it's just so easy to ship it right to you. You can sleep on it the first night. Not only is this mattress so stinking comfortable. It has surpassed our expectations, but it's also made with high quality organic materials. I love knowing just that we're sleeping on like non-toxic, chemical-free mattress. There's no fiberglass or petro foams used. This mattress is made with just really natural materials and none of the synthetics, which is harmful for the planet, and it's not going to be good for us. So, and this mattress, it sleeps cool. It's like has this latex foam and coils, and a combination of the two makes it very natural and breathable. I could continue on about all the wonderful things, but I'll finish off with the fact that there's a 365-night trial and a 15-year warranty. That just really gives such peace of mind when purchasing a mattress, and I love that about Silk & Snow. This is so nice. I want to do a couple little upgrades around the room. One thing being we really needed some curtains. We are very excited to be hanging some really beautiful pleated curtains. I think it's just gonna elevate the space. I think I wanted to do the one on the outside. We are going to be hanging our TV up on our wall. We have this dresser situation and we're going to be mounting it. It just looks so much nicer mounted on the wall. And then the dresser can stand on its own. And also I feel like when we're laying in bed, it would be nice for the TV to just be up a little higher because you're kind of like laying down. Stefan just added 2 plates so that we can hide all the cords. We just have to hang the TV. Ow. Let's also hang some art, hang up our mirror, and just get some things in place. This corner still has some storage, but we are going to have a big cozy chair here. And I just got this cute little art print for my birthday. It's gonna be like a whole little kind of like reading nook, knitting corner. I am hoping one day to get a very pretty light fixture for our bedroom, actually for a bunch of the rooms in our house. But until that day, we have been putting up these little, they're just these little flat lights that sit in the ceiling. Honestly, it's gonna be better than staring at these open plugs in the ceiling, and we haven't actually been able to turn our light on since we moved in. We do have mismatched side tables, and yes, this cord is not actually plugged in. My husband might like add a plug behind here because it's weird that there's no plugs. I also might in the future do sconces. I actually did buy some and they just weren't right. But for now, we're keeping the lamps and I usually do plug them in. Do you guys remember how this room looked when we bought this house? And here it is now. Friends, I had to finish off this video by just saying how wonderful it's been sleeping in this bed. We literally just get into bed every night and we just feel like we are on a cloud. It's so good, so comfortable. The kids' excitement about it too has just been so fun. But truly, me and Stefan, this mattress has exceeded our expectation. Honestly, all of everything. The sheets, the bed frame. I'm so excited about the bed frame. The mattress is just the cherry on top of this whole new king bed situation. We are loving it. Silk and Snow has delivered. It's been such a wonderful experience. I will have everything linked down below. So if you guys want to check out Silk and Snow, or if you're in the market for a mattress, I highly recommend their organic mattress. Everything will be down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. As for more of my everyday life, follow me on Instagram at emilyfaith.home. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys!